Today in this video, we will be seeing a home remedy that will help you in controlling the sugar levels and help you in maintaining your diabetic condition, and also will help you in controlling the body weight as well. So for this remedy here we need carom seeds and bottle gourd. These two ingredients are very much useful in controlling the sugar level. So carom seeds give you a good digestion rate. It helps you in giving a proper relief from indigestion issues like gas, acidity and bloating, and keeps your digestive system active. That will help you in increasing your metabolism. So as there is a good metabolism rate, automatically you can control your sugar levels. Now this bottle gourd also will help you in giving a good hydration to your body, giving you a good digestion rate, giving you a good metabolism to your body, and will mainly help you in controlling the body weight by losing a body weight. Like when the food is taken, when that doesn't goes into fats, giving a body up into a food proper way will help you with your body health as well. So now take a pan, add a glass of water, add the cut pieces of this bottle gourd to it, and add 1 teaspoon of this carom seeds to it. Now let it get boiled for some time, like 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium flame, and don't overboil it as it loses your properties of the ingredients. So don't overboil it, and just boil it for only 5 to 6 minutes and take out from the flame. You can take it down to the glass. Now this drink is prepared. Now you need to take this drink every day on an empty stomach regularly every morning. This will help you in controlling the sugar levels and maintain your diabetic condition, and also will help you in maintaining the body weight and gives you a good digestion rate, and helps you in giving a good metabolism rate to your body, and also will help you in keeping out away the risks of heart attacks or increased blood pressure or heart blockages, and thus will help you in cleansing the heart blockages and detoxing your body, and will help you in controlling the sugar levels.